Hello, dear viewer. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024 from Microsoft Office website. Yes, indeed you can get Microsoft Office LTSL Professional Plus 2024, and it is free genuine version. We will get Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2024 available to download and install, but not only that, we will also let you know how to activate it. So stay with us, and I am going to show you every simple step to install this latest and greatest Office software for free. So without further delay, let us get started, okay? The first thing here, I'm going to open browser. Type Office Deployment Tool on browser search bar. Or copy following link from the description area of the video. And then paste here to download this Office Deployment Tool. So let us click here on download, and after successfully downloaded, now open this file by double click. You can see a pop-up window. You need to accept the Microsoft software license terms. So you have to click on checkbox and then click on Continue tab. Here you can either create a new folder or you can select an existing folder. I would like to create a new folder, and here I'm giving this folder name, Office 2024. Now let's click OK, and then here it says File extracted successfully. Now what I will do, open the folder, Office 2024 that mean where you just extracted Office Deployment Tool. You can see here 4 configuration Office files. Delete 3 configuration Office files. And last configuration Office file will be renamed configuration.xml. Okay, now the next step need be creating the customized configuration file. You need to open browser again and search Office LTSC Preview from the browser. Or you can find download link in the description area of this video, Office LTSC Preview. Click on Microsoft Office LTSC Preview. Then scroll down, you can see Install Office LTSC Preview and click on it. Now just go down until see Example Configuration.xml file. From XML content area, you have to copy this content. Just click on Copy icon. Okay. Now go back to Office 2024 folder, and here you have to edit this file, which we renamed as configuration.xml. Simply open with Notepad and select all by press Ctrl A. And delete the existing content. And then paste the content that we have copied from Microsoft website. Now either you can delete this portion or not, depend on which edition software you want to install. If you do not want to install Visio Pro 2024 and Project Pro 2024, then delete code from product ID equals Visio Pro 2024 Volume 2 Product, and save this file. Now our configuration is ready. The next step. Now we will go to ahead for download all Office installer files. For that we need to go Desires folder location, that mean Office 204. For that, on Windows search bar type CMD and click on Run as Administrator tab. Type on command prompt D and press Enter key. Then type cdd:/Office 2024 and type setup/download configuration.xml without quotation. And now we need to wait for a while till we exit from this command prompt. Estimated file size near about 2.93 gigabytes. when we will got out of this command prompt, which means we have successfully downloaded setup files. Finally, type following code on command prompt for Microsoft Office 2024 installation. Setup/configure configuration.xml and hit Enter key. And click on Yes, and here you can see the Office installation process get started. If you see error, we can't install Office until you uninstall the existing Office variant. Then we need to uninstall existing Microsoft Office software. For that, you need to go Control Panel. Then uninstall existing Microsoft Office from Add or Remove. Here you can see indication of Office installation. But still, we need to wait, and finally we can see this message which says that you're all set. Now, although it shows here Microsoft 365 and Office 2024 apps, but you do not worry about this message, guys, because we only have installed Office 2024. Now let's click here on Windows search bar and type here Word and open it and go to Account. And here we go. Here we can see Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. Now, in order to change your license, so you need to click here on Change. For product key, to enter product key here. For product key, you need to visit again the same page that we have opened for creating customize configuration, and we need to go down, and here you can find Office 2024 product key. Simply copy this and paste it here. Now you need to click on Activate Office. And in this way, guys, we will able to successfully install Office product key in our system. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. I hope, guys, you find this video helpful information. If so, then please do like and subscribe to SoftNote to see more such content. Thanks for watching.